Here I have HTC Desire 530 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be a calendar. And let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for about 2 seconds and release this key after about these 2 seconds. And let me do it again. Let's press power key and volume down together for about 2 seconds, and as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using an upper bar and choosing screenshot captured, or you can also accomplish that by using a home screen, here by choosing apps icon. Afterwards find and select the gallery right here, and here you should find the screenshot folder. So let's choose albums. This is the screenshot album. Now you can choose your screenshot and share, edit or delete taken screenshots. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.